Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys like literally how to set up a Payoneer account. Now Payoneer is one of the platforms, I think it's actually the best platform that we use to receive the monies that we've made online, right? And if you follow the strategy I'm going to be showing you in this video, instantly you're going to be getting $50 when you sign up right now. Terms and conditions actually do apply. So we're going to go to my screen right now and I'm going to be walking you through the process, like everything literally, including signing up for your account and getting your account approved and all of that, right? It's going to be a detailed step-by-step tutorial, so it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, right? And at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you guys a list of about 150 to 100 websites that actually do pay with Payoneer, because it doesn't make sense for you to have the account and not have money inside of it, right? So I'm going to be showing you like a list of 50 to 100 websites that pay with Payoneer, so you can go on those websites, sign up for an account, right? And of course, do some work, and get paid into your Payoneer account. Link your Payoneer account to it and get paid into your Payoneer account. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. So I'm gonna go to my screen right now and get this video started. But before that, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Gerald. I'm a visitor. I'm making money online. So what I do is that I try things how they work. I come right here on this channel and show you guys exactly what I've done. And my reason is that so you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So it's important for you to smash the like button on this video if you've not done that. Subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification icon, so that when I drop more videos, more helpful videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification that Gerald just dropped another tutorial. So that said, let's go to my screen right now and let me show you guys exactly how to create a Payoneer account step by step, guys. Let's go.
So you practically have two options to get started, right? You can click on the first link in the box below. Once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this interface where you have to just sign up, and you're going to be earning $50 for just signing up, right? As opposed to going to Payoneer.com, and you can come here and click on get started or register, and you'll be losing out on that $50. So I want to encourage you to use link in the box below. Once you click on that link, you're going to land here, right? And once you are here, you click here, sign up, and actually get $50 as a sign up bonus, right? That's important. That's why it's important for you to use the link in the box below, right? So if you come here right now, Payoneer enables you to actually receive payment from over 3,500 partners, right? Websites and companies around the world. This includes Amazon, ClickBank, Rakuten, Viagogo, Top Hatter, Lazada, Wish.com, Linio, and a whole lot of others, right? So in this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys like every detail on how to actually set up a Payoneer account. So I'm just going to click on sign up and earn $50. That's where you want to go. Sign up and earn $50 instantly, right? So the process begins. So right here, right now, are you an individual or a company? For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be setting this account up as an individual account, right? So individual, I'm going to select individual, not company, individual. Then come here right now and put in the first name, the last name, and email address, right, and date of birth of the person that owns this account. So you're gonna put in your first name right here, right? Then put in your last name right here, which is actually your surname, right? Your email address, you're gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put in the email address here again, right? Then date of birth is what is gonna come here right now. So you're gonna put in date of birth, your date of birth right here, right now. So I'm gonna choose December. It's actually I'm going to select the date of birth, year of birth, right? December and the day of birth, right? I'm going to say right? So I'm going to go to next right now. Click on next to get to the next detail, the next part of this channel, which is actually contact details. I'm just going to go to next right here, right? It's loading and this is it right here. Yeah, this is the next. Now I'm going to select country is this. It's selected automatically. Whatever country that you are, that's what you're going to see here. If the country is not correct, you can actually click on this drop down and select the right country, right? So street and number, right? Town, right? I'm going to select the town, zip code, postal or zip code. If you don't know your zip code, please just go to Google and type zip code. Let's say you are in California, California zip code. It's going to give it to you right here, right now. Right, this is it right here, different areas. If you are in Abuja, for instance, Abuja, right, wherever you are, this is all. You can just pick anyone here randomly and put it right there, right? So I'm just gonna come here and type zip code, right? Then phone number, you're gonna put in your phone number right here. It's very important. Put in your phone number right here. So I'm gonna put in the phone number here, right? So you say put the phone number right here and click on send code. A code is going to be sent to the phone, and you're going to put in that verification code there to verify your phone number, right? This is an important step. So it's important for you guys to pay close attention. Like I said, it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and I'm walking you guys through every step. Okay, so I'm going to click on send code, and it says you can request the code again in 28 seconds. This code has been sent, right? I'm waiting for this code to arrive. I'm going to hit next, all right? And this is loading, give it a while. And it's done, right? Going to the next stage. And this is the stage where you're going to go to pick your password, enter your password, choose the security questions, your ID card, the type of ID card that you're actually using to set up this account and all of that. So let's do that right now. So I'm just going to choose a password. All right, I'm going to put a password again. Security question. I'm going to choose the security question. All right. I'm going to put in the answer right here. Okay, so this is a private stuff. Now, some of these private things, I'm actually blurring them out. So ID details, which country is issuing this ID that you're using, right? You're going to select the country right here. National ID type, what kind of ID are you using? National ID, driver's license or passport. I'm going to be using passport for this. Now, what is a passport number? I'm going to put it right here. Date of issue, I'm going to select the date of issue that the passport will issue. This is going to be on the passport, right? Date of expiration, I'm going to select it right here. Please enter this code below, and that's it, right? So passport ID number, I'm going to put it right here. Date of issue, I'm going to select from the passport. So I select the month, which is April, right? Then date of expiration, 17th. Then this code, I'm going to put this code here. This is TTJ5S, right? I'm going to hit next to get to the next stage of this tutorial. So this is this Payoneer tutorial, how to create Payoneer account basically. So this is a personal account or business account. I'm going to select personal account. With the country, this is your bank account right now. Which country is issuing this bank account to you? This is it right here. Currency, what's the currency type for this account? This is it right here. Select your bank name. I'm going to select the name of the bank. Right, in my country, this is a bank in my country. Account name, then account number, I'm going to right here. Okay, I'm going to put the account number right here. This is your local bank account number. That's what you're going to put here. Right, this is it right here. So I'm going to select I agree to terms and condition. I agree to pricing and fees, and hit submit. Right now, this process is going to begin. Now, this is it right here. It says application completed. Your application has successfully submitted. Review in process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application is reviewed. Now, then, and once this is done, you can be able to receive payment with Payoneer, right? So we're going to be waiting for this application process to be completed. This is an email from Payoneer right here. It says, "Dear Helen, thank you for applying for Payoneer account. To help us confirm with you, please verify your email address." I'm going to hit verify my email, right? So okay, yeah, it says thank you. You successfully verified your email address. Now there's a second email. Let's go back. A second email here. It says, "Dear Helen, we are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. It will take up to 3 business days. Once approved, we will send you an email and you can start receiving payments. Meanwhile, you can learn more about Payoneer's payment services by reading our FAQ. If you have any questions, contact us. Your customer ID is so and so and so and so, right? So this is Payoneer telling us to chill, that they are actually going to go through our application and either review or reject our application, guys. So once you log in, it's going to show you something telling you to update your security questions, for stronger security and all of that. So once you click on update right here, it's going to bring you right here. So select your question,
right? Select what was the last name of your first boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever it is. Select the one that suits you. What's the last name of your boss? Then select an answer, Gerald. This is for security. Most times when you want to log in or want to do certain transactions, they're going to be asking you to answer these questions. So make sure the questions that you actually remember the questions and you remember the answers to those questions. It's very important, right? So make sure you put those things down, write it down, and put it somewhere safe. It's very important. Now, the second one, what's model of your first car? You can select a different question, right, and put in the answer right here. Then select the third question, put in the answer right here, and click on submit, right? And once you've done that, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, this interface shows you that everything is completely fine. Now, if you come to get paid and go to receiving account, you're going to see that this is your account. The default account it comes with is the UK account and the USA account, right? You can click on details, actually see the details of your account and everything. USA account, the exact same thing, yeah? So I'm just going to, if you come to pay, it's going to tell you how to pay recipients on Payoneer. You can pay other Payoneer people. You can pay Amazon advertising invoice. You can pay for your VAT and all of that. Now, withdraw and transfer. You can withdraw to your bank account, right? You can manage currencies like converting currencies from Euro to USD and all of that, right? You can do that from here. Then account activity, everything about your account. You can see it, letter of good standing, monthly statement, confirmation of receiving account, account statement for Amazon, transactions, everything, activity on your account. You're going to be seeing it right here on this interface. Now, your bank card, you can actually apply for your bank cards right here. Your Payoneer cards, you can apply for your Payoneer cards from this place, right? You can apply for your Payoneer cards from here. So I'm just going to click and it's saying hello, good afternoon, and blah, 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 blah. So a great way to access and spend your earnings. You will be able to order a Payoneer card once you have received payment of at least $2,000 or equivalent to your account in the previous 6 months, right? Now, once you've met this criteria, you can apply for your card. So I'm just going to go back to home and continue showing you around. So this is about cards, receiving account, right? This is the account that the USA and the UK account, that is USD, dollar and pounds account right here. And I think there's somewhere you can actually apply for more accounts, account statement confirmation and all of that. Okay, so let's look at business networks, right? You can refer your friend. You can refer your friend right now. Just click on this place. Take this link, give it to your friend. Your friend, you sign up on Payoneer with it, and you are both going to get a reward of $25 each, right? Once your friend meets the cutting criteria, after your friend signs up and receives a total of $1,000, you both earn $25 reward, right? So your friend have to sign up and receive $1,000, and even you that just signed up my own right now, once you receive $1,000, you're going to be getting $50, right? You're going to be getting $50 as your bonus, because you use my link to sign up from Payoneer, So, and okay, so let's go back to business network, companies you work with, business applications and store manager and all of that, right? So this is exactly how to set up a Payoneer account. Easy, right? It's easy peasy, guys, easy peasy. So yeah, I guess that's it. So guys, if you got any value from this video, I want to encourage you again to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and of course, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more videos, more helpful videos I'll actually give you value, right? You'll be the first to notify it on YouTube that Gerald had just done it again. So that way you can jump right into it and we can begin to win together, guys. Because the whole idea is for us to win together, So that's the whole idea. So this is a brand new account. Everything here is 000. And I made this video specifically to show you the process of signing up for Payoneer. Easy, right? So there's a notification here. Let's see what it is. Update about fees and receiving accounts and stuff. Okay, we are ready to let you know that 30 days from sending of message, you receive payments below a minimum. When you receive payment below a minimum amount via receiving account that is not in your local currency, you begin applying the fees listed above and blah blah. So these are the fees for Payoneer. For $100 is $1, €100 is 0.9. So it's minor, like 1% or 0. I think it's 1%. Yeah, I think it's 1%. No, 10% of 400 is 40. Yeah, it's actually 1%. Yeah. So this is the fees for Payoneer. Right, so I can just mark as red, so it should disappear from here once I mark it as red. Disappear from here once I mark it as red. So yeah, so that's exactly how this thing works, guys. Right, so go ahead and set up your own Payoneer account and let me know, guys, in the comment section if you're able to do that. And let me also know if you have any challenges, and I'm going to be addressing it in maybe in the comment section, or maybe addressing it in a subsequent video, guys.
So guys, if you paid attention, to the tutorial, like everything, you will notice the fact that we didn't get that email from Payoneer, right? But our Payoneer account will actually open. Now, this is something that I figured out, and that is why I decided to make this new video on how to create a Payoneer account. So there are some times that you will not actually get that email, but you are actually going to open your Payoneer account. So what I did was that after 2 days, the email wasn't coming. So I just logged into my Payoneer account with the email address and the password I created, right? Then I now saw the a notification on top telling me to click and choose a security update my security settings, something like that. And once I finished it, everything just appeared and worked completely fine, right? Everything just appeared and worked completely fine. So they gave me my USD account, my GBP account, and everything worked completely fine, right? For those of you who have said, Gerald, I've not gotten the email, sometimes you don't get that email, but you can still go ahead and create and activate your Payoneer account, so yeah.
Until I see my next video, keep winning and don't forget that Gerald does love you. Bye, guys.